We're excited to announce a new feature at Staff Times: document management and file sharing, making it easier than ever for your team, projects and workforce to collaborate and share documents. This innovative tool allows users to efficiently manage and exchange files while maintaining full control over privacy and access rights. Let's get started. You can find the feature by navigating to Manage Groups in the left menu bar. To set up document management, first define a group name. Groups can be used not only for document sharing, but also for time tracking and planning. Detailed guides on these topics can be found in our instructional videos. In this example, we will create a new group for document sharing. Click on Add New Group. Now enter a descriptive name in the input field, ideally similar to a directory name. Once created, this group name will be transferred to authorized users in the MyTime app and displayed on the Groups and Documents page. In the next section, you'll find different group settings. The project details, activity names, and planning sections will not be configured in this example, since this group is only used for document management. Therefore, these options will be disabled in MyTime and will not be shared with group participants. Now, let's move on to the document management section. At the top, you'll find the blue button for uploading and attaching files or linking external media. Click on the info icon for details on file size and quantity limitations in the basic subscription. The default settings are usually sufficient for photo uploads and simple documents. If you need more storage capacity, feel free to contact us. We are working on different packages to allow flexible scaling. I shall click the blue button, which opens the upload dialog. Now, I select 2 files and confirm the upload. The uploaded attachments are displayed in a list format. Individual line items can be deleted at any time by clicking the X and replaced with new attachments via the blue button. The use of cloud collaboration services for shared document editing is becoming increasingly common. If you already use Microsoft OneDrive, Google Drive, or Dropbox, you can easily add links to cloud-stored files and folders to this group. I will now create a link to a Google Cloud file and confirm it. Make sure you set the permissions in these cloud services accordingly. Now, we'll assign employees to the group who should have access to these documents. To do this, select the appropriate group members. Finally, we save the created group. At this point, we can send a notification to group members, either via email, as a device notification, and directly in the MyTime app. Alternatively, you can choose not to send a notification by ticking the appropriate box. To finish, we enter a short message and confirm the process by clicking Save. At the bottom of this page, you will find a history of all sent messages, including recipient names. Now, let's take a look at how this appears in the MyTime app. You can see how the notification arrives on the employee's smartphone. Tapping the notification opens a pop-up that redirects the user to the notification list in the MyTime app. This list displays all previous notifications in chronological order, with the latest one at the top. By tapping a notification, the user is taken directly to the corresponding group and can view the attached files. Important: in the top navigation bar, you can tap the bell icon to reopen the notification list. Please note that this tool can also be used for general announcements to your employees, independent of a specific document. Now, let's look at the content of the received file. MyTime uses the apps installed on your device to open the file. Devices with larger screens, such as iPads and tablets, provide an optimized viewing experience. The employee in this group can also add their own files if needed. Simply tap Select Document and upload the file from the device. A note on notifications: to avoid overloading your employees' inboxes, we recommend limiting email notifications to important messages. For short updates like new document added, new members added, or status updates, the in-app notification is ideal. Now, let me show you the desktop view of MyTime. My Time desktop users navigate to the Documents menu in the left sidebar. There, all groups with their shared files and links are listed. Clicking on an attachment opens the preview. Additionally, users can upload their own files, which can then be shared with group members. Administrator notifications are announced via the bell icon in the upper right corner. Clicking on the notification text will take you to the group nameline item. There are various ways to use groups in your company to enhance internal knowledge transfer and collaboration. Here are some examples. Company policies and knowledge management. Use groups as a central repository for guidelines and HR policies. Team and project documents. Facilitate collaboration in project teams by sharing files, updates, and notifications for ongoing customer projects. Training and development. Share instructions, training materials, and onboarding resources for new employees. Internal communication platforms. Use groups as an internal employee space for discussions and collaboration on various initiatives. Building communities at staff times using the group function helps make the internal flow of information more efficient and enables teams to work together more closely. We hope to support your office processes in the best possible way. We are continuously developing this feature and look forward to your feedback. Try it now and take your team to the next level